Hi, I'm Doug with DeckWise.com. Today we're going to install some premium hardwood siding using our new hidden siding fasteners. Now that we've got all our materials that we need, we're going to install some house wrap. First step being we need to create a vapor barrier between your plywood and your siding. This is a really important step because it's going to create a block to keep out condensation and water, which can lead to things like mold and wood rot. Something you really don't want when you're working with a premium product like hardwood siding. All right, we've got our house wrap up. Before we put our furring strips up, we want to install a baseboard. Here we're using a piece of 1x6 pressure treated pine. We're going to be fastening it with stainless steel screws. Always use stainless when working with pressure treated. You don't want to cause any extra corrosion. Here we're installing our furring strips. This is the wood material that the fasteners are actually going to get screwed into. When spacing these out, properly support the weight of the siding material, you want to do these 16 inches on center and always use stainless steel screws to fasten. Alright, we've got our wall prepped. We're ready to install some siding. We want to make sure our first board gets put in completely straight. You want it to be as level as possible because it's going to set the level for the rest of your wall going up. We use a chalk line to make sure that we have our first board is going to be installed level. This is going to be the line we use to install our starter clips. The way our starter clips are designed, they'll be self-centering, so we're going to drill a tiny little pilot hole along our chalk line, which is going to ensure all of our screws are run in the same place. Got my starter clips in place. I'm ready to install my first board. Simply going to drop it onto the starter clips and make sure it lines up exactly how I want. Now to hold this board in place, I'm going to be using our hidden siding fastener. I'm going to line those up above each of the furring strips along the length of my board. Keep in mind, wherever you have two boards that join together, you want to use two clips. We have two starting clips here, and we're also going to use two siding clips to make sure that the ends of the boards and the joint stays tight. To install our siding clips, we're going to be using our stainless steel screws. We're going to run these at a 45-degree angle. It's really going to secure the boards to give us that seamless look. Alright, so we finished off our wall with our premium hardwood siding. Best part about using our hidden fasteners is, of course, no visible fasteners showing on the surface. You can download our installation instructions at DeckWise.com. Be sure to check back and see any of our other installation videos. See you guys next time.